CBSE Class 4, Science Chapter, The Leaves, the Food Factory of Plants, Important Questions and Answers. Question. What is germination? Answer. The process of development of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Question. Which part of the plant is known as food factory of a plant? Answer. Leaves are known as food factory of a plant. Question. What are tap roots? Answer. The roots that have one thick main root is called tap root. Question. What are fibrous roots? Answer. A bunch of roots that grows out from the end of a stem are called fibrous roots. Question. What grows from the bud on the stem? Answer. Flowers grow from the bud on the stem. Question. What is shoot? Answer. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is called shoot. Question. Leaves are called as food factory or kitchen of a plant. Give reasons or justify your answer. Answer. Leaves prepare food for the whole plant by using carbon dioxide from air, water from the soil, sunlight and chlorophyll. Hence leaves are known as food factory or kitchen of a plant. Question. What are the different parts of a leaf? Answer. The different parts of a leaf are A. Leaf apex, B. Leaf blade, C. midrib, or main vein, D. side veins. Question. Define the different parts of a leaf. Answer. The different parts of a leaf are leaf apex, the tip of a leaf is called leaf apex. Leaf blade, the flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Midrib or main vein is a thin tube running through the middle of a leaf. Side veins are the smaller tubes that run from the main vein of a leaf. Question. What are the differences between upper and lower side of a leaf blade? Answer. The differences between upper and lower side of a leaf blade are: upper side of a leaf blade is dark in color. Lower side of a leaf blade is light in color. Upper side of a leaf blade is smooth to touch. Lower side of a leaf blade is rough to touch. Question. What are the functions of side veins and midrib, main vein, in a leaf? Answer. The main vein and side veins carry water, minerals, and food to all parts of a leaf and to other parts of the plant. Question. What are leaflets? Answer. In some plants, leaves are modified to form small, leaf-like structures called leaflets. Example, gulmohar. Question. What are the functions of stomata during photosynthesis? Answer. Stomata are the tiny pores present on the lower surface of a leaf for exchange of gases. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata. Oxygen and water vapor produced during photosynthesis are given out through the stomata. Question. How do plants make food? Or, explain the process by which leaves make food for plants. Answer. Plants take in carbon dioxide from air and water from soil. The leaves of the green plants contain a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll traps sunlight. Green leaves use the energy of sunlight to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since this process takes place in the presence of sunlight, it is called photosynthesis. Leaves use the energy of the sun to change water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar. This sugar is then taken to all parts of the plant by the vein and the stem. Question. How the word photosynthesis formed? Answer. Photo means light and synthesis means preparing or putting together. Thus, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. Question. How do plants use food? Or, describe how plants use the food made by leaves. What happens to the extra food? Answer. The food prepared by plants' leaves is in the form of sugar or glucose. This food is then taken to all parts of the plant by the stem. Plants use this food to get energy and for growth. The extra food is changed into a substance called starch. Starch is stored in roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds which are edible by other living organisms. Question. What are the functions of a leaf? Answer. The functions of a leaf are: the primary function of a leaf is to prepare food for the whole plant. Stomata present in the leaf helps the plant to breathe. Leaves of some plants store food. We eat them as vegetables. Question. What is chlorophyll? Answer. The green substance present in leaves is called chlorophyll. Question. What is photosynthesis? Answer: the process by which leaves makes food by using carbon dioxide from air and water from soil in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Question: how gaseous exchange takes place in a plant? Answer: gaseous exchange takes place in a plant through stomata on the leaves. Question: why the leaves of cactus turn into spines? Answer: the leaves of cactus turn into spines to prevent loss of water. Question: which part of cactus makes food for the plant? Give reasons. Answer: the green stems of cactus make food for the plants as the leaves turn into spines to prevent loss of water. Question: what are fungi? Give examples. Answer: fungi are the non-green plants that do not have chlorophyll and hence cannot make their own food. They depend on dead and decaying plants and animals for food. Example: mushroom, fungi, bread mold. Question: how mushrooms get their food? Answer: mushrooms have very thin, root-like structures that go deep into the soil to absorb food. Question: insectivorous plants are also known as carnivorous plants. Give reasons. Answer: insectivorous plants traps and kills insects for food. Hence, they are also known as carnivorous plants. Question: explain how pitcher plant traps and kills insects. Answer: the leaf of a pitcher plant is shaped like a pitcher with a small lid. The pitcher is brightly colored to attract insects. When an insect enters the pitcher, the lid closes. This traps the insect inside. Digestive juices inside the pitcher digest the insect. Question: how fungi get food? Answer: fungi grow on tree trunks. They absorb food from trees. Question: what are insectivorous plants or carnivorous plants? Answer: the plants that traps and kills insects for food are called insectivorous or carnivorous plants. Example: Venus flytrap, sundew and pitcher plant. Question: what happens when a green leaf is boiled in alcohol for starch testing? Answer: the green leaf turns white in color as the chlorophyll is extracted by boiling in alcohol and remove the green color of the leaves. This helps in starch testing. Question: what happens when a leaf with green and non-green portions is tested for starch? Answer: only the green portion of the leaf turns blue-black after adding iodine, as only the green part performs photosynthesis and hence contains starch. Question: what happens when a leaf covered with vaseline for some time, plucked and then tested for starch? Answer: the leaf that was covered with vaseline does not turn blue-black on addition of iodine. This happened because vaseline blocks the stomata due to which carbon dioxide cannot enter the leaf. This stops the process of photosynthesis. Question: what happens when a moist bread is placed in a warm place for few days? Answer: we will see some cottony, greenish on the slice of bread after a few days. This growth is fungus and is called bread mold. Question: what happens when a leaf with a thin strip of black paper wrapped in the middle of the leaf? Answer: the part of the leaf covered with black paper does not turn blue-black on adding iodine drops as it does not contain starch because the covered part did not receive sunlight, while the uncovered part turns blue-black because of presence of starch. If you found these questions and answers helpful, please like the video, share the video with others to help, subscribe to the channel for more notes, questions and answers.